Ultimate guide to help beginners monetize their blog in 2024 with low-effort methods. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Select a niche with a high demand for products or services, low competition, and a decent audience size. Research popular keywords, trends, and affiliate programs to find the right fit. Step 2. Set up a blog. Create a professional-looking blog using platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace. Choose a free or paid theme that resonates with your niche. Step 3. Produce high-quality content. Develop a content calendar and create engaging, informative, and SEO-optimized articles. Use relevant images, videos, and infographics to enhance user experience. Step 4. Optimize for SEO. Conduct keyword research, optimize meta tags, titles, and descriptions. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Moz to analyze your website's performance and improve rankings. Step 5. Build an email list. Install an email marketing plugin like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Create a lead magnet, such as an ebook or webinar, to entice visitors to subscribe. Step 6. Utilize affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction. Promote relevant products and earn commissions for each sale made through your unique referral link. Step 7. Leverage display advertising. Sign up with ad networks like Google AdSense, Mediavine, or AdThrive. Display ads on your blog and earn revenue from clicks and impressions. Step 8. Create digital products. Develop digital products like printables, templates, or courses. Sell them on your blog or through platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Step 9. Offer sponsored content. Reach out to brands in your niche to collaborate on sponsored content opportunities. Disclose sponsored posts to maintain transparency and comply with FTC regulations. Step 10. Host webinars or online courses. Create value-packed webinars or courses on topics related to your niche. Use platforms like Zoom or Teachable to host and sell your content. Step 11. Sell print-on-demand products. Design and sell print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases using platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. Step 12. Participate in online communities. Engage with online communities related to your niche. Share your expertise and build relationships with potential customers and partners. Step 13. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other reputable blogs in your niche. Include a link to your own blog and promote your work to attract new readers. Step 14. Utilize social media. Promote your blog on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Pinterest. Share your content and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Step 15. Track and analyze your progress. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics or Monster Insights to monitor your blog's performance. Track your website's traffic, engagement, and earnings to adjust your strategies accordingly. By following these steps, you can start monetizing your blog in 2024 with minimal effort. Remember to stay focused on providing value to your audience while exploring different revenue streams.